For a lot of people, their iPad has replaced their home computer. But unless you have the newest model iPad Pro, you don't have a USB port, so it can be really hard to connect your other electronic devices, like a camera or a printer or a keyboard. What you're gonna need is an adapter. I have this adapter here that converts Lightning to USB and the power supply. So I can take my power supply here, the USB also. Plug it into my iPad, now my camera's connected. So now I have access to all my pictures, but don't be fooled. Just because the adapter has a camera icon doesn't mean you can't use it for other accessories like a printer or a keyboard. In fact, let me show you how the keyboard attaches. Now I can type. But remember, depending on what iPad you have and what USB device you're trying to connect, you might need a different adapter. So you can always do some research online or walk into a store and ask a person for help.